The role of the police canine handler has undergone significant evolution in recent years. Once defined primarily by street instincts and practical experience, today's handler must also be a tactician, a trainer, and a credible courtroom witness. Amid increasing legal scrutiny and rising public expectations, the most critical issue facing handlers is maintaining operational readiness while ensuring that every deployment can withstand legal and administrative review. Police canine deployments, especially those involving apprehensions or searches, are closely examined through the lenses of constitutional law, departmental policy, and body-worn camera footage. Whether a handler releases their dog to apprehend a suspect or uses the dog's alert to justify a vehicle search, those decisions carry legal weight. Handlers must be able to articulate not only what their dog did, but why their actions were appropriate. This includes describing the dog's trained final response, the change of behavior that preceded it, and how the handler recognized and understood those cues. It also requires distinguishing between an interest and a trained alert, and understanding when residual odor or handler influence might have affected the outcome. Training, therefore, cannot stop at graduation or annual certification. Ongoing, realistic training is essential to maintain the team's operational effectiveness and legal credibility. Maintenance work should include scenario-based deployments that reflect real-world complexity, tactical obedience under pressure, and scent discrimination exercises that challenge both the dog and handler. Handlers must be capable of managing distractions, recognizing threshold behaviors, and adapting their tactics as situations unfold. Without continuous training, even the most skilled dog can develop bad habits, and so can its handler. Documentation has also become a cornerstone of the handler's role. Courts and defense attorneys increasingly rely on body-worn camera footage and training logs to assess a handler's credibility. What the dog does on the street must be consistent with what is shown in training records. Thorough reports and logs that detail environments, scent sources, and performance issues are not just good practices. They are a legal shield. Understanding the legal framework that governs canine deployments is no longer optional. Every handler should be familiar with key rulings, such as Graham v. Connor, Tennessee v. Garner, and Florida v. Harris. These cases influence decisions on the use of force, the duration of bites, and the validity of probable cause based on a canine alert. A handler who does not understand these rulings risks violating constitutional rights, which can lead to lawsuits, loss of qualified immunity, and damage to public trust. In this modern era, a successful handler is more than just a dog lover or a veteran officer. They must be thoughtful, well-trained, articulate, and knowledgeable about the law. They must be prepared to explain their decisions and their dog's actions to a judge, a jury, or a community member. The dog may be the detection tool, but the handler is the professional responsible for understanding that tool's behavior, managing deployments responsibly, and ensuring every decision can withstand scrutiny. The challenges are real, but so is the opportunity. Handlers who invest in their ongoing training, understand the legal landscape, and document with care will not only protect themselves, they will also strengthen the reputation and credibility of canine teams nationwide.
This video was brought to you by the United States Police Canine Association. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. For more information, check out our website, www.uspcacanine.com and at USPCA Canine. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.